everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen on two Mercedes GLKs. One didn't come with any option, one came with fully option. This is the fully option one with factory backup camera. This is the second one without the backup camera. We use our OEM loop backup camera for the white one. So technically we just replaced the screen to 10.25-inch Android screen. This is the round corner shape, same as Mercedes look, and it's blue screen, 1920 resolution. This is the highest resolution and the highest quality that you can get with 8-core processor, and also it comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard. And right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay. Technically my iPhone is connected wirelessly to the screen to do the Apple CarPlay, and also we can go back to the main menu. All the controls on the knob work on aftermarket as well, and we can go to factory command system, and we can control the command system with the iDrive knob too. So it retains all the factory features. By touching the screen it goes to the aftermarket mode, and you can download any apps you like, and it comes with 2 USB inputs that you can do. You can play videos or audio through those USBs. So this is the first car, and the car was fully loaded, and I go to the second one. As I said, this one didn't come with backup camera, no backup camera in the car, and right now we are doing our Android Auto. So technically our USB dongle can do Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so same system, just with the Android phone. And the car comes with factory sensors, so sensors are functioning, and the backup camera with dynamic parking guideline. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.